Hello and Assalamu alaikum, أهلا وسهلا. اسمي زكية وأنا من جنوب أفريقيا. اليوم نصنع الطبق الوطني السعودية وهو الكبسة. Did you get that? Welcome to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia and today we're going to be making Saudi Arabia's national dish, and that is kabsa. So if you were following some of my previous vlogs, you would have noticed one of my shorts asking if you could guess the name of this dish. There were quite a few of you that did guess it correctly, and these were the names of all the viewers on YouTube that guessed correctly. Well done to you. Some of you from Greece and even Mexico. And on my Instagram profile, these were all of you that guessed correctly, ranging from Overport in Durban to Shanghai in China. Well done to all of you, and thank you for commenting and being so proactive on my channel by engaging and sending me your comments. Kabsa is a very popular Middle Eastern dish, and in different countries in the Middle East it's called different names. For example, in Qatar, this same dish is called majboos or makboos. This dish is similar to the Indian biryani, but it doesn't have that many spices, but is absolutely delicious. Now, just to let you know that this is my way of making the recipe. There may be different variations. So without wasting any time, هيا بنا نبدأ. So let's get started.
To a deep based pot, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter ghee, and you can make this yourselves at home. Here's the link above. Also add in 1 onion diced, and the spices: a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 3 to 4 cloves, 3 bay leaves, and 4 green cardamom pods. Once the onions have browned, add in your 1 kg of leg quarters, and I've slit them along the sides, 1 teaspoon of rough salt, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. To this, you're also going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, juice of half a lemon squeezed, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and not puree, and also 3 small tomatoes grated. Give this a quick mix. Close the pot lid and allow this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is what it will look like after 15 minutes. Remove it from the pot and place onto an oven tray, because we're going to bake this in the oven, and make sure you've greased the tray with some olive oil. To the pot that the chicken was, we're going to add in 750 ml of water and 2 cups of basmati rice. And we're going to allow this to cook until the rice has softened and no water remains in this pot. Add in 1 grated carrot as well, stir, and leave to cook. To the chicken that we removed, we're going to sprinkle some black pepper powder, cayenne pepper, cinnamon powder, and then bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Once the rice has been cooked, we're going to plate it onto a lovely tray. Then, removing the chicken from the oven, we're going to place this over the rice. And to garnish this, we're going to braise together 1 tablespoon of butter ghee, 2 tablespoons of almonds, and 2 tablespoons of raisins, and then just throw this over the chicken. And that's your kabsa ready to be served.
And if you do try this recipe, I'm very curious to know what you think about it. So let me know in the comment section down below. You can also get in touch with me on Instagram and now TikTok. So until the next vlog, happy cooking!